Adding vendors in QuickBooks Online is an essential task for managing your expenses effectively. Let's go through the correct steps to add vendors. Firstly, access the Vendor Center by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the Expenses or Vendor tab in the left navigation menu and click on it to access the Vendor Center. Next, add a new vendor. In the Vendor Center, locate the New Vendor or Add Vendor button and click on it to create a new vendor profile. Now, enter the vendor details. In the vendor profile form, fill in the necessary details such as the vendor's name, address, contact information, and any other relevant information. This will help you keep track of the vendor details for future reference. Assign account and payment information. In the vendor profile form, you can assign an expense account to the vendor, which will be used to track expenses related to the vendor's products or services. Additionally, you can enter the vendor's payment information, such as their preferred payment method or bank account details if applicable. Finally, save the vendor profile. After entering all the necessary details, review the vendor profile to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied, click on the Save or Save and Close button to save the vendor profile in QuickBooks Online. And there you have it. You've correctly added a vendor in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.